The root of the equation 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0 are alpha and beta. Find alpha squared plus beta squared. Solution. So the first thing we're going to do is to write out our equation, which is 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Then determine our alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. Alpha beta is minus 5 over 2, and alpha plus beta is 4 over 2, which is alpha plus beta will be equals to minus 2. Now, if you don't understand this, you can check on my part 1 video of sum and product of the root of a quadratic equation for more explanation. Now, let's continue. We're going to solve for alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, we all know that there is nothing like alpha squared plus beta squared in the root of. We only have alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now, we can get this. Let's just expand alpha plus beta squared first. Now, let's see if we expand this, we can get something related to alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, we can have alpha plus beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha multiplied by alpha is alpha squared plus alpha beta plus alpha beta plus beta squared. Now, we all consider we have alpha squared plus beta squared here. Alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta plus alpha beta is 2 alpha beta. Now, we all consider we have this alpha squared plus beta squared, but there is this 2 alpha beta. So, for us to get this alpha squared, just alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta, we need to minus 2 alpha beta from it. Now, if we minus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta is 0. Now, we can only have what? Alpha squared plus beta squared. So we have something like that. We all know that alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta is alpha plus beta squared minus what? 2 alpha beta. Now, minus 2 alpha beta will now give us alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, we've expanded our alpha squared plus beta squared. We can now put our alpha plus beta and alpha beta into this equation. Now, alpha plus beta is what? Minus 2. And alpha beta is minus 5 over 2. Minus 5 over 2 times 2. Now, 2 we cancel 2. We can have minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. Minus times minus is plus, that's plus what? Plus 5. So, alpha squared plus beta squared will be equals to 4 plus 5, which is equals to 9. So, 9. Our answer for alpha squared plus beta squared is 9.